guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Justlove and I make Animal Crossing New Horizons content. And for today's video, I bought 100 plus mystery grab bags. Well, to be exact, 133. Although some were gifted to me when I bought the mystery grab bag, so I'm just going to count it as all together. I try to get a variety of different mystery grab bags you could get, such as clothing, DIY, materials, or furniture, but I just could not get any materials because they just didn't accept me, or it was just a very old listing. So I'm so sorry about that. I couldn't get any materials, but you already know materials, so like some sticks, some stones, some gold, some wood, just basic stuff like that. So I'm not really too bothered by that, and I hope you guys aren't too. So the mystery grab bags, they're all coordinated to be different things. So here, I bought 30 clothing for 100,000 bells. So I'm just gonna open these first because I don't really use the clothes in the game because I use the pro design on your phone. So I'm just gonna open these first. So yeah, let's get into it. Now onto the second batch of mystery grab bags. So I only bought one mystery grab bag, but the seller was nice enough to give me 5 of them, and I only spent 10,000 bells, so that was really a good deal. So yeah, thank you so much, seller. So far I have spent 110,000 bells. Now onto our third batch of mystery grab eggs. I bought 10 of these for 100,000 bells, and the seller was very nice enough to give me an extra one. So the one you see that's not wrapped in a gift, that one was the gift that she gave me. And in total right now I have spent 210,000 bells on mystery grab bags. So out of the 10, or you could say 11 because of the extra gift, I only learned 4 DIYs, which sucks, but at the same time it is a mystery grab bag, so you don't know what you're gonna get. Now onto our fourth batch of mystery grab bags. As I said in the beginning, some of them did not have a listing of it being either clothing, furniture, DIYs, and materials, so this one is a random one. And I bought 10 of these for 100,000. So far I spent 310,000 bells on mystery grab bags. Now onto our fourth batch of mystery grab bags. This was also a random one, and I have I had spent 100,000 bells for 10 of these. And so far, I have spent 410,000 bells on mystery grab bags. And the reason why I skipped the previous one was because there was 20 mystery bags there, and you saved the best for last, so I skipped that one. And actually, there was supposed to be 20 mystery bags there, but the seller forgot to give me the last one, and she was super nice about it. She gave me 10,000 bells back, and I wasn't really too worried about missing just one grab bag. Now onto our fifth batch of mystery grab bags, and actually this was not a random. This had a name and it was furniture. And I am such a hoarder for furniture that in my storage in my home, it's almost max. But I mean, you never know when you're gonna need those items, so they're just locked up in my basement somewhere. And so far, I have spent 100,000 on these furniture bags. So far, I have spent 510,000 bells. That's literally half of a million. That's so crazy. Now onto our sixth batch of mystery grab bags. This was actually a random one, and as I said before, there were supposed to be 20 mystery grab bags, but the seller forgot to give me the last one, so she gave me 10,000 bells. And I only paid for 50,000 bells, which was crazy because the other ones I have spent 100,000 bells, and it was only for 10 of them, so this was such a good deal. And since I only paid for 50,000 and she gave me 10,000 back, so technically I only paid 550,000 bells. Still almost close to a million. Not, well, technically halfways. As I was moving on to the next batch, I saw Anka and she had a thought bubble up in her head and I thought she wanted to leave. So I went ahead and talked to her, but I forgot I was in a day like stage, so like I did not time travel forward or backwards because I had the plot open and I needed to get sure about my island. And she just gave me some glasses which kind of matched me, so I just wore them for the rest of the video. Now, on to our last two final batches. I decided to go for the small one, and this one had 15 DIY recipes, and I paid 100,000 bells. So, in total, I have spent 650,000 bells. Now onto our last batch of mystery grab bags. I had paid 100,000 for 20 DIY recipes, and so in total I had spent a whopping 750,000 bells. And if you see in the ground those two pink gifts, those were actually gifts from the seller, so that was super sweet. And I was literally 250,000 bells away from a million. So that is so crazy. So here's a quick recap of the items I got, and I'm not gonna lie, some of them were not the best, but at the same time it is a mystery grab bag, so you won't know what it is unless you open it. So overall, this was not really worth 750,000 bells, but at the same time I had fun opening these bags. In here, welcome to my DIY recipe junk. Basically, all of the DIYs that are here, I already learned them and have no place else, well, nowhere else to put them, so I just have them here. So out of all of the DIYs that I purchased, I had 48 DIYs and I knew 33 and I only learned 15. So here are all the stuff that could only go in my home, so the flooring or like the wall hanging items. And for the Hello Kitty poster, I thought I didn't have it, but I guess I did have it when I went to go check my storage. So I mean, it's okay to have two of things, you know. I could display it somewhere else, or I could sell it on Nookazon or whatever. If you guys are curious on what items I learned from the DIYs, here they are. Here's another quick little recap without the DIYs being on the ground. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it and just unwrapping the gifts. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.